Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, July 25th, 1923. It is 5:29 and 50 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Miocene period. So let's come to it here. Miocene period fossil forest of Ontario found in Japan, date July 21st, 1923. Source, Hokkaido University. An exquisitely preserved fossil forest from Japan provides missing links and helps reconstruct a whole Eurasia plant from the late Miocene epoch. The complete plant fossils are seldom found as a single piece, as wood leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, or pollen detach easily from plants. The resultant leaves and trunks having separate scientific names. As putting together the different parts to reveal the complete plant is like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Connecting these dots and reconstructing plants is important to establish a taxonomic identity that places like the tree of life. Researchers found an exceptionally well-preserved fossil of a Winteria paraphora forest, which was almost exclusively accompanied by fossils of Bateriophyllum bleach. In 1994, Kaiso River in Minokomo City underwent historical drought, in the process of which 400 in situ fossilized tree stumps surfaced, while most of the stumps have since been submerged. The team examined 135 stumps, of which 130 were identified as Winteria paraphora. As Winteria is a wooden fossil, recognized by its distinctive growth, rings abundance, parachemophase, phase, and lack of resin cadence. In the 2,000 meter squared fossil site, these stumps accounted for 95% of the tree remains, indicating that we discovered a forest predominantly of this species. The team also found that the stumps were exclusively covered by a bed of one specific of leaf. Bateriophyllum tiliferium is a leaf fossil species belonging to the mallow family, which includes cotton cacao and Diria. The fossils in this leaf were widely distributed throughout Eurasia during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, and the discovery of the Winteria fossil forest indicates the Bateriophyllum tiliferium are the leaves of Winteria. They found that 98% of the fossil leaves found at the site belonged to Bateriophyllum, strongly indicating that they were shed from the parent trees. They could see that the leaves were deposited paratoxically on the forest floor. They got fossilized where they fell. The research by other groups has shown that the fossil fruit, Banisterium copy, giganteum, is related to the Bateriophyllum tiliferium. The future research will focus on searching for Banisterium copy, giganteum, in Japan, as this discovery would provide strong evidence that all three are part of the same species. And this is a professor of archaeology, paleontology, anthropology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.